everyone, Bryant Lovette here with Lovette Properties, and so excited to bring you this next listing. Guys, we're here in Prestonwood Country Club. You are mere minutes from the clubhouse. Golf, swimming, fitness, tennis, it's all at your fingertips here. Not to mention, it is one of the highest rated clubs in all of North Carolina. So I can't wait for you to see this house in such an amazing location. You are an easy drive to SAS, RTP, downtown Raleigh. So there's so much to say about the location. The house itself, it's a big house, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and it's got the adorable modern farmhouse style that everyone's wanting. This home will not last long, so please pass this along to someone that you know looking. We want to get it in their hands, we want to answer their questions, and we will have an open house coming available. We will have more photos coming available, so please stay tuned, we'll have more info. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.